As India marks a historic milestone, 150 years of the national song Vande Mataram, celebrations have been grand, but the occasion has also reignited a political debate. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated a year-long commemoration, releasing a special stamp and coin on this very occasion, but also took the opportunity there to slam the Congress, accusing the Congress of truncating Vande Mataram, which he says sowed the seeds of division. Modi says that there were some verses or basically some stanzas of the song that were omitted. The paras that praised Goddess Durga were deliberately removed, says Prime Minister Modi. And this was done under then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's tenure, claiming that it was deliberately done to appease a certain section of the community. Let's hear it.
भाग्य से 1937 में वंदे मातरम के महत्वपूर्ण पदों को, उसकी आत्मा के एक हिस्से को अलग कर दिया गया था। वंदे मातरम को तोड़ दिया गया था, उसके टुकड़े किए गए थे। वंदे मातरम के इस विभाजन ने देश के विभाजन के बीज भी बो दिए थे।
Well, now you have war words between the BJP and the Congress over this. BJP National Spokesperson C.R. Kesavan has accused the Congress of historically distorting the song during late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's tenure. Kesavan also cited a 1937 letter by Nehru to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, suggesting Nehru felt the song's original version might irritate some communities, a move that Kesavan called historic blunder that weakened its national symbolism. Congress has, however, defended Nehru, with Mallikarjun Kharge saying Vande Mataram has always been a people's song, inspiring unity across generations and communities. He's also recalled Gandhi noting in 1915 how it became a rallying cry for Hindus and Muslims in Bengal. Now, well, you have Vande Mataram itself, a song, a national song, not the national anthem, but a national song that's now a center focus for political debates. After 150 years, questions being raised as to why some verses were dropped, and was it done deliberately to appease the minority.